Hi students, welcome back to the new session. In this session, we'll be discussing about biology important bits related to scientists' names and their discoveries. And now we'll start the session. The first scientist is who established the role of water in photosynthesis is Van Helmont. And the second one is the basic or fundamental equation of photosynthesis was given by C.B. Van Neel, and for the first time who identified that each molecule of carbohydrate formation requires one molecule of CO2 and two molecules of water are C.B. Van Neel. C.B. Van Neel first worked on which bacteria means this is a purple sulfur bacteria. And the fifth one is who identified the key role of water to increase the plant mass, Von Helmont. And sixth one is who performed a series of experiments to reveal the role of air in photosynthesis, Joseph Priestley. And next one is who discovered oxygen, Priestley. And eighth one is who coined the name oxygen, Lavoisier. Next, tenth one is who proposed the experiment that showed the role of CO2 in photosynthesis, Moles. And tenth one is who first studied the release of oxygen by plants during photosynthesis with an experiment using aquatic plants, John Ingenhousz. And 11th one is which organism did Engelmann use to study the effect of different colors of light, strand of alga or algae, who obtained an extract of the green colored substance and named it chlorophyll, Pelletier and Caventou, who named the chlorophyll pigment containing organelles as chloroplasts, Julius von Sachs. And 14th one who studied the role of chloroplast in photosynthesis after separating it from the plant cell, Daniel I. Arnon. And 15th one who discovered the light reaction or Hill reaction or light dependent reaction or photosynthetic phase. And this question, this bit might be asked in all these different ways. Maybe first one is who discovered light reaction might be asked, or Hill reaction, or light dependent reaction, or photosynthetic phase. In these different ways, maybe chance of asking this particular bit part. Please don't be confused during examination. And the answer is Robert Hill. And 16th one who discovered the dark reaction or carbon fixation or light independent reaction or Kelvin cycle or biosynthetic phase, that is Melvin Kelvin. And 17th one who discovered vitamins, Funk. 18th one who studied the properties of gases and their exchange in respiration, Lavoisier and Joseph Priestley. And up to 17th question, all these scientist names are related to first chapter. Okay, so the 17th one did not give in the textbook. I added that one related to the vitamins. And the next one is 18th one, I will repeat again, who studied the properties of gases and their exchange in respiration, Lavoisier and Joseph Priestley. 19th one, who wrote Human Physiology, John Tapper. And who invented the stethoscope, René Laennec. The 21st one, who first identified veins in the legs containing valves, Hieronymus Fabricius is there in your textbook, and the complete name is Hieronymus Fabricius. Who identified 22nd one, who identified the valves between the chambers of the heart, the scientist is William Harvey. And 23rd one, who discovered valves in the leg veins, Fabrici. And 24th one, who studied the very small blood vessels, nothing but capillaries in the wing of a bat, Marcello Malpighi. And 25th one, who described the circulation of the blood in veins, William Harvey. And 26th, who concluded that nerves are of two types, sensory and motor, Galen. And 27th one, who studied and recorded the survival of the frogs whose brain had been removed, Stephen Hales, Leonardo da Vinci. Next one is 28th one, who performed experiments on dorsal and ventral roots, Charles Bell and Francois Magendie. And I will repeat 28th one, who performed experiments on dorsal and ventral roots, Charles Bell and Francois Magendie. And 29th one, who studied the structure and cells of the pancreas, Paul Langerhans. 30th one, who extracted insulin from degenerated animal pancreas, Banting, Best and MacLeod. And 31st one, who coined the term hormone, Ernest Starling. And 32nd one, who performed experiments on phototropism, Charles Darwin and Francis Darwin. And 33rd one, who discovered auxins, F.W. Went. And 35th one, who formulated the cell theory, Theodore Swan Matthias Jacobs Clayton, who explained the new cells will be formed from pre-existing cells. That is Rudolf Virchow. 37th one, who studied binary fission as means of reproduction in animal cells, Robert Remak. 36th one, who proposed mitosis, Walter Fleming. Next one is 37th one, who proposed that a set of heritable elements are present in the chromosomes. Wilhelm Rox, very very important bit. 38th one, who identified heritable elements factors in pea plants, that is Gregor Mendel, and who studied that chromosomes remain the same in the individuals of the same species, August Weismann, who confirmed meiotic division, Theodore Boveri. 41st, who proposed the DNA double helical structure, Watson, Crick, and Wilkins. And 42nd, who proved that roots secrete some secretions back into the soil, Brueggemann. And 43rd one, who is the father of genetics, Gregor Mendel. And 44th one, who identified the sex chromosomes containing heritable elements in Drosophila, nothing but a fruit fly, that is Thomas Hunt Morgan and Walter Sutton. Next one is who proposed Lamarckism, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. And 46th one, who proposed the inheritance of acquired characters, Jean-Baptiste Lamarck. And 47th one, who performed experiments on rats and proved Lamarckism is not correct, August Weismann. And 48th one, who proposed the theory of natural selection, Charles Darwin. And 49th one, who voyaged on the ship HMS Beagle to the Galapagos Islands, Charles Darwin. And who wrote Principles of Geology, Charles Lyell. And 51st one, who independently proposed that natural selection contributes to the origin of new species, Alfred Russel Wallace. For 52nd one, who proposed the origin of species, Charles Darwin. 53rd one, who introduced the ecological pyramids, Charles Elton, very very important board examination bit. And 54th one, who studied the role of blue and red colored light in photosynthesis, Engelmann. So these all are the important my dear students. Please go through all these bits to avoid that losing of even 1 mark, because 1 mark is also very crucial to score 100 marks. Okay, or is very crucial to pass, or it's very crucial to avoid fail. Nothing but I think all of you understood these bits. Please, I feel it might be very much useful to you. If you like this particular video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe and encourage. Thank you.